So Framer.com just released a new tool called Wireframer, and basically this is an AI tool that lets you create the layout of the website. It is not going to create the full website like other tools like Bold, Windsurf, or Cursor. It is just creating the template that later designers can use to create the full website. So let me show you how you can use this new tool to create the first layout for your website. So you can navigate to Framer.com and then you can create a free account. And after that, you can start a new project. I'm going to click this button. And for this example, I'll try to create, let's say, a website, a landing page for a personal video editing service. Now, to create or to use Wireframer, you have to click on this button. And I'm going to just paste the prompt that I just prepared. So generate a landing page website for my video editing service. My name is John. Okay, send the message. And you'll see that Wireframer is going to create the layout of the website in real time. So this is really just the structure. Again, it is not going to fill with images, with icons, animations. It is basically only creating the template. So on top of that, it is actually going to give you some suggestions about the next thing that you can add to the page. So there's going to be some suggestions down here. Okay, so there is the option to add testimonials, FAQ, and maybe swipe the hero section with a banner. Now let's try adding testimonial section. And of course, you can always write your own prompt or instruction about what are the elements that you might want to include into the page. And also, this page is going to be fully responsive. It will work on both desktop and mobile. And of course, you can add more pages and you can keep using Wireframer to design the whole website. So I think that's going to be quite interesting for anyone that want to create a good looking website, but just don't want to spend all the times to just build the template, because Wireframer can help you create the the initial draft of the website. So I guess that's basically it. Of course, there are other things that you can do in Frame.com, but I cannot show all of them in this short video. So go ahead, navigate to Frame.com and then explore the Wireframer feature yourself and see if this is the best tool for your use case. Now, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.